Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is OEM HIDClass 18.16.37.672. So if you're unable to install this update, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on Windows Update. First of all, let me inform you, this update is safe to download because it is coming from Microsoft Update. So anything which is coming from Microsoft Update is safe to download. So if you're unable to install this update, then over here you can see pause update option. So to pause it, you can click on this down arrow and then you can select pause for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You can select the option which you want, and then once you select it, on the top here you can see the option which says resume updates. So after you pause it, just click on resume updates and let the process complete. Windows 10 user, go to start menu, then click on settings and then click on update and security and click on pause update for 7 days. Then you will see resume updates option over here. Click on it and let the process complete. So pausing and resuming the update should install this update and this should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.